What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we are going to do an unboxing of KZ ZSN Pro X earphones. This is available at 1899 rupees, and there is another variant without mic. It is available for 1699. It's available on Headphone Zone website, Amazon and Flipkart. It comes in two colors, black and gold. We have it in black color. Now on the Headphone Zone website, you have a lot of other options, lot of categories of audio experiences, and there are many brands available here. You can search based on price range and even see audiophile section for much greater experience. There is also headphone finder section, and here you can answer few questions to get a good recommendation on what to purchase. You also have deals. The one we have here is available under 2000 rupees and comes with 1 year warranty. Now let's get to unboxing. Here's the box. On the front it has a preview of the earphones and says ZSN Pro X, and there is some information underneath it. On the back it has some more information. Now let's unbox this. First we have these earphones placed under a plastic cover. In the middle of the box it says KZ ZSN Pro X Hybrid Technology Earphone. Now let's see underneath. Next there's a cable for earphones. This is not attached to the earphones and it has a nice design. Next there are some extra ear tips, and they gave 6 extra ear tips. Next there's some documentation. Now let's come back to the earphones. This is how these look like when separate from the cable. Now let's have a physical overview. On top, these earphones have a unique design, a blend of metal and resin. It's alloy shell design, which is high-grade zinc alloy used for the faceplate, while the cavity uses imported resin. From the sides we can see the inside components, as it has a transparent body. On one side it has pins to connect the cable. On another side it says ZSN Pro X New Hybrid Drivers. On the inner side it has silicone ear tips. Now back to the cable, here's how it looks like. This is brand new high purity silver plated cable which improves the performance of the highs and the lows. It is premium 100 core silver plated cable that's 4 strands of wire tightly wound, which elevates audio resolution, gives wide and natural sounding audio with minimal distortion and loss in the signal transmission. This variant also has HD mic and inline controls. These earphones also support additional Bluetooth module as well. We can easily upgrade these earphones to a wireless headset. That's the advantage with the modular design. Connecting these cables to the earphones is pretty simple as well, as shown in the preview. At the end of the cable it has L-shaped audio jack, so it's pretty convenient while using with a phone. Now these are tangle-free cables and it's approximately 125 cm in length. It's neither too long nor too short. As for this button, it can be used to play or pause music, and while you are receiving a call, you can single press to answer the call, long press to reject the call. While on the call, you can single press to mute and unmute, and long press to cut the call. These earphones also have a lightweight design, weighing approximately 27 grams. Now these are the specifications. It has a 10mm driver in hybrid setup and has a frequency response range from 7 to 40,000 Hz. It also has customized 30095 high frequency balanced armature. Magnetic driver of ZSN Pro X is optimized to reduce magnetic gaps, which is to prevent eddy current loss. That's for enhanced low frequency power and a wider frequency response. Now let's start the review. These earphones are very well built. It fits nicely and stays inside without any problem, which is good for long hours. It is pretty light in weight, and that's also pretty good for long hours of usage. Audio clarity is amazing and the details are pretty great, especially above 50% volume level. At full volume it is super loud and there is minimal to no distortion. Due to its design, once you find that perfect fit in your ear, you won't be hearing most of the ambient noises. Now it is ideal for taking calls. While talking on calls, there is minimal to no noise. It's clearly audible on both sides of the call. This silver plated cable is supposed to improve the performance. They're also tangle free cable, and so far the cable did not get tangled. I even tried pulling the earphones while in ear to check if the cable gets detached, and no, it stays nicely attached to the earphones. These earphones have a good design, a pretty nice finish. The audio quality is really good. It comes with a braided cable. This is also detachable, replaceable and upgradable. And these have 1 year warranty. Recently we made a video on KZ EDX earphones. Link will be in the description. Do check that out. Both of these are great earphones. If you want earphones under 1000 rupees, you can go for the EDX. And if you want to get something around 2000 rupees, you can go for the ZSN Pro X. So that's been the KZ ZSN Pro X. Overall, it is pretty great and it's definitely one of the best earphones under 2000 rupees. That's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about these earphones? Do let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.